Hey y'all, so today I'm gonna do a short video just on a little trick that I use to keep my boots standing up. So if you'll notice, like the boots over in the corner, my tall slouchy boots, I've already done the ones up on the top, but if you are interested to see how I keep my boots standing up straight, then just keep watching. So I'm actually just taking a pool noodle and I am cutting it into pairs. So I would recommend to actually measure them by the height of the boots that you want them to fit into. Here I'm just trying to get as many pairs as I can out of this one pool noodle, but they are pretty short, so I would recommend to do them based on the height of your boot. Okay, so for the method for my larger, or not larger, but the taller slouchy boots, I will use the pool noodle, but for my shorter boots, I will actually use old paper towel rolls. What I would suggest doing is on these boots, they're mid-calf, like maybe a little shorter than that. So what I would do, sorry, they're like really dusty. These are my boots that I would ride like the motorcycle with. And we haven't been in a long time, so they're really dirty. But so what I would say to do is to go ahead and insert, just take it and then push it all the way into the heel, and then just pull it up a little ways, and then just mark it like I've done there. And then that's where you'd want to cut it, because I mean, you don't want like a big thing sticking out of your boot whenever you're displaying it. So with these boots, because the fabric is very loose, and the more you wear these type of boots, even though the fabric is pretty thick, and it's pretty sturdy, but over time, especially around the ankle, like when you see like the ruching that it creates, like just naturally from wearing it, it's going to loosen up and it's gonna try to fall in on itself, because it just gets creases and then it's just not going to stand up correctly. So what I would suggest is when you're cutting the pool noodle, mark it before you cut it. So just put it all the way to the base of the boot and then just pull it up slightly, mark it, cut there, and then just line it up with the rest of the pool noodle, cut a second one, and then mark your second boot, and then keep cutting until you don't have like any pool noodle left. So I had actually told my husband that I wanted to go buy a pool noodle to be able to cut it up and stick them in my boots, because I think he either seen it on Pinterest, or I'm not even really sure like where I saw the idea, but I was thinking excuse me, I was thinking, well, that's a really good idea and it's really inexpensive. And my mom had already bought me the set from the store, and they were pretty expensive for like if you're having to buy multiple pairs. So I told him that I wanted to go find a pool noodle to cut it up and use for my boots. And he actually found that one on the side of the road. I guess it had blown out of someone's truck or something. So he pulled over and got it for me. So it was free. So like, who doesn't love free stuff, right? Anyways, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it helped some of y'all. And comment down below, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.